When you picture a diamond, you probably imagine a sparkling, flawless gem. But in nature, diamonds look nothing like that. A rough diamond is dull, often resembling an ordinary pebble. You could easily walk past one without a second glance. Most shiny rocks you see aren't diamonds. They're usually quartz or glass. Real diamonds rarely shine in their natural state. Their beauty is subtle, not flashy. The key to finding one? Stop searching for Hollywood sparkle. Train your eyes to spot the real thing, dull, heavy, and unremarkable at first glance. Finding a diamond in the wild is rare but not impossible. It takes patience, knowledge, and a willingness to pick up the rocks others ignore. This guide will show you what to look for. No hype, just practical tips. We'll cover simple field tests like checking weight and surface and where to search. By the end, you'll know how to spot a potential diamond among the ordinary stones. Remember, the real treasure is often hiding in plain sight. Let's get started on your diamond hunting journey. Change your expectations and you might just change your luck. Diamonds are dense, much heavier than they look. Pick up a stone you suspect might be a diamond. Does it feel heavier than other rocks of the same size? This is called specific gravity, and diamonds have a high one, about 3.5. Quartz, by comparison, is much lighter. The weight test is simple. Handle lots of rocks, get a feel for the average. If a stone feels unusually heavy, it's worth a closer look. But remember, weight alone isn't proof. Other minerals like topaz or zircon can also feel dense. Use this as a quick screening tool. If it feels light, move on. If it feels heavy, keep investigating. The more rocks you handle, the better your instincts will get. Don't get discouraged if it's tricky at first. Practice makes perfect. Over time, your hands will learn to spot the difference. This is your first step in separating the ordinary from the extraordinary. Trust your senses, they're your best field tool. Next, examine the stone's surface. Rough diamonds usually look dull or greasy, not shiny. They might seem waxy, with a soft sheen instead of a brilliant flash. Most are translucent or even opaque, not crystal clear. Color varies. Diamonds can be yellow, brown, grey, or black. Don't dismiss a stone just because it isn't colorless or sparkling. Shiny rocks are usually quartz or glass, not diamonds. Compare quartz has a sharp, glassy shine. Diamonds have a subtle internal glow. Hold the stone to the light. Does it absorb light with a greasy luster? That's a good sign. In diamond hunting, dull is often better than dazzling. Shape matters. Diamonds are crystals, often forming as octahedrons. Think two pyramids joined at the base, but nature isn't perfect. Most rough diamonds are rounded or irregular from their journey to the surface. Look for hints of flat faces, straight edges, or even triangular patterns called trigons. Most common rocks are shaped by erosion and lack geometric patterns. If you spot symmetry or flat planes, pay attention. Even worn-down crystals can reveal their origins. A rough diamond's imperfect crystal form is a strong clue. Turn your find over. Geometry is your friend. Location is everything. Diamonds come from volcanic pipes called kimberlite or lamproite. Over time, rivers and streams scatter them into gravel bars and alluvial plains. Search where heavy minerals settle, inside river bends, behind boulders, or in ancient gravel beds. Research your area. Are there known diamond finds nearby? Famous spots include Arkansas, parts of Canada, Brazil, and Africa. Even if you're not in a diamond hotspot, local geology matters. Look for signs of ancient volcanoes or river systems. Most rocks you find won't be diamonds. Expect quartz, topaz, or glass. But every rock tells a story. The hunt itself is rewarding. Pick up that odd stone, test it, and learn from it. You might not find a diamond, but you'll discover the world beneath your feet.